Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your hard disk health in Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. Checking your drive's health can help you identify potential problems before they lead to data loss. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and search for Command Prompt. Next, open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: WMIC disk drive get status. Then press Enter. Windows will display the status of your hard drive. If you see OK, your drive is operating normally. If Windows reports a warning or a different status, your drive may have health issues that require attention. For a more detailed check, open Settings, then click System and select Storage. Next, click Advanced Storage Settings, then Disks and Volumes. Select your drive and see Properties. If supported, Windows will display information about the drive's health and condition. Regularly checking your drive's health can help you detect problems early and protect your important files. And that's it. You've successfully checked your hard disk health in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.